Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get your sign-in order in Docusign. So the first thing we want to do is head over to our Google Chrome browser over here and try to sign up. So if you do not already have an account, please do well to sign up by clicking on this first link and going through the entire process. It asks you to. But if you do already have an account, you will just simply log in to your Docusign account and it will take you to your dashboard. All right, so this is my Docusign dashboard. So today we are going to learn how to set our signing order in Docusign. Setting your signing order simply means setting the signing order to ensure that your document is signed in the exact sequence that you want it to appear. That is ensuring that the signers that you want to sign that particular document are arranged in a particular sequence. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing we want to do is log in, which we have already done. And then this is our Docusign dashboard. So the next thing we'll do is to head over to the start button and click on that. And it will take us to the next page where it has created our envelope. All right, so this next step is to click on this upload button over here and upload the particular document we want to get signed up. All right, so we'll just click on that and head over to desktop. So if your document is in any of these platforms, you click on that. For me, I'll be using desktop, and then I'll head over here, click on the particular document I want to work with and click on open. All right, as you can see, my document has uploaded. So next, I'm going to add the recipient I would want to work with for this video. All right, so I'll click on the recipient names and then add them up. And then if I need to add more recipients, I'm going to click on add recipient. And then as you can see, there is a second list. If I need to add much more, I'll click on add recipients, and much more name and email address fields would open up to me to add up much more recipients. That is depending on the number of recipients I want to sign this particular Docusign document. All right, so after doing that, I will head over to the corner of each of these recipient information, and you can see this hand symbol over here. All right, so what I'll have to do is to assign the signature order according to how I want it. So if I want this first recipient to be in the second box, I'll just hold and bring them down here and change the signature order. You can see that the numbering has changed. So if I want this to be my first signature or my second or third, I'm just going to have to move them to the particular order. You can see that it is changing. Look at the colors by the side here. You can see that I can reassign them in the ways that I want to. So this is how you can set your signing order in Docusign. And when you're done, you just head over here to click on the next button, and it will take you to the next page where you can review and then send. So this is how you can set your signature order, your signing order in Docusign to have the best of what you want for your documents. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was insightful for you. Until the next one, bye for now.